Sussa G, welcome back to an episode of David Parody Plays. Today we have a very special banger because I am gonna tell Guy one of my special hidden talents. Do you know what it is?
Yeah, ASMR Dave doing ASMR.
No, actually that is not my special talent. My special talent is actually
eating food.
I've lost a lot of weight, so don't say that.
People are looking at us.
But when I was 5 years old, guess who was in my class?
Wolfie?
The person that was in my class was Nija Huston, my G.
Nija?
Nija, the professional
the Shake Shack
skateboarder.
guy?
We are gonna play a game of skate. If you don't know, it's kind of like horse. I'm gonna do a trick, then Guy has to do the exact same trick. If he doesn't get it, he gets a letter. We're spelling out skate. Whoever gets
How do you
the...
spell steak?
Steak? S-T-E-A-K? You like steak? I can't eat steak, I'm allergic to it.
S-T-E-A-K, no? Steak.
Yeah,
Oh,
we're playing
spelling
skate, like
Steak.
skateboard.
S-C-K-T-A, no, T-E.
Holy smokes, you are so smart. Yes, that's exactly how we spell skate. Okay.
Yo, how are you skating? What are you wearing? Are those what's his name? Nija, what wears these?
No, he doesn't, but I'm just so confident I'm gonna win.
So you're wearing like boots.
Yeah, I have boots. And I'm still gonna beat you.
And boots. Okay.
I'm so ugly. The first trick I'm gonna do, Guy, is just a simple Ollie. You know how to do an Ollie, right?
I know olives.
You can do that, that's an easy trick.
Okay, the thing is in Lebanon, bro, we didn't have skateboards, so I don't really skate.
Yeah.
I can snowboard, but I can't skate. Let's see an attempt of me standing on a skateboard.
Now do your Ollie, or you get an S. That was the Ollie. You press down on one side.
Like this?
Yeah, and then after you go, oh!
Whoa! Bro, how do you do this, Ollie?
Oh, that was pretty good. But guess what? It wasn't an Ollie, so S for you.
Bro, I think I broke my back, and the dog is barking.
The next trick, we are doing a kickflip. Do you know what a kickflip is?
Yeah, I'll show you.
Okay.
That's not it?
So you dumb? You're trying to ruin my skate. Yo, okay. Come on, man. This is just an easy kickflip. It's so easy.
Yo. Okay, relax, right? I don't think I can do, like, how?
I don't know. I was surprised I actually got that on the first try, but all right. Yeah, so basically the board, yeah, the board has to flip once like this. Just once though.
Yeah, I saw what you did. Oh, fucking hell.
That's a K, my man. You almost died, by the way.
I was close to do it.
Okay, you're good, Greg. All right, ready for the next trick?
Thank you guys so much for watching David Parody Plays. We will see you next time.
Bro, okay.
Peace.
I promise you the next trick will be easy and you'll be like, oh, okay, I think I can do that. Okay. We're doing a tray flip.
Oh, I know Lil Tay. You know Lil Tay? Hey, what's good? I have talent. Do you see this mansion? It's from...
Here we go, the tray flip.
Oh my God, holy shit. Like, listen. I like, literally, I don't think anyone, the viewers, like the parodians know
that I'm a skateboarder. I know. Oh, it's one of my hidden talents. So if YouTube does not work out, I'm becoming a professional skateboarder.
YouTube worked out a lot.
I know, but if it like, you know, crashes and burns. Okay, it's your turn to do the tray flip. I think, Guy, that if you put your mind to it and you really just try, you can land this tray flip, all right? It's not the hardest thing in the world. Go for it, buddy. Tray flip.
I need to just stretch for 2 seconds. Holy shit.
Hey, don't hurt yourself there. All right, Guy, the whole world's waiting for the tray flip, okay? You saw what I did, just redo it. That is an A for you, my friend. You have an SKA, 2 more, and you lose, bro. No. Please go get the board, and we will be moving on to our next trick.
Bro, like, my back is hurting, and like, I didn't know you were born with it.
It's pretty crazy, huh? All right, come on, you're about to lose the game, bro. Come on.
I know you're really talented, but not everyone is as talented. Like, give me a chance.
Bring it back to an easy trick for you, okay? We're gonna do a backside 180 heel flip. Okay, so you know what? I'm gonna do it right in front of your face so you actually can see what I'm doing. Are you paying attention?
Yeah.
Okay.
Holy shit, yo, Yo, Dave. How the hell are you? Go.
You see the vibes? Ow.
I think like you should go to the Olympics. Have you heard of the skateboarding Olympics?
Yeah, they're called the X Games, my friend. Stop trying to waste time. It's your turn.
No.
What are you doing? Why are you taking your shoes off?
I think that's the issue that's been holding me off.
Issue?
Oh, leave my poor socks alone.
Why is there a hole in them?
Because I'm not rich to buy socks. Do you believe in love after love? Thing is, my skateboard is stuck on a pothole. Okay, I'm gonna do you said 180?
Yeah.
Okay.
What? You're so ugly. You look like a freaking
Wait.
banana.
Yeah, but that's a 180 turnover.
That was actually a 360, but okay, you get a T. Now, I'm so sorry, bro. Like, you have one more letter and then you lose the game.
I'm actually done. I'm gonna go home. Okay, listen, if I do the trick you're gonna do right now, I lose all my letters, I go back to 0.
Okay, if you do the trick, you win everything. But if I do the trick, then you have to give me 2,000.
Okay, but can you just, your skills, I know they're so high, can you go, like, do something a bit easier?
The last trick of the day, Gee, we are doing a pop shove it.
I know how to shove it. Just turn.
Turn for what?
So I can shove it.
Where?
Up your ass.
What? All right, you ready?
Holy shit. Oh, okay, bro, like that's not a big deal. You know, I see what you're trying to do. That should be easy to me.
That was the easiest one yet, okay?
That for me, like I feel like I can do this one because I have the mental strength and the mental ability to do it.
I believe in you.
Okay, let me shove it up your ass. Hold this.
Take all your energy and try for this last one, please. That looked like it hurt. Are you okay?
Look at my hands.
Bro, you're bleeding and everything, bro.
The thing is, you try your best. At the end of the day,
you can do. And I appreciate you coming out and trying to outbeat me in this game of skate. Thank you so much, sir. Suck my dick. That concludes today's game of skate. If you guys want to see my other hidden talents, let me know by smashing that like button down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have an amazing rest of your weekend, and I will see you guys very soon. Peace.